Again, the Gilded early bird, break 39.99. We're full. Good luck. Dice roll, we're going 12 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 here, 12 here. Brewers up top. Red Sox at the bottom. 12 times on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 here. 12 here. Craig up top. Craig at the bottom. Let's sort them out. They all sorted. You know it's going to be a good break. Gilded bird. Here we go. Good luck. Good luck, good luck. Topps Gilded Collection. Early bird. Here we go. And guys, we got lots of breaks close on the site. Start off Chipper Jones to 99. 70 out of 99 for the Atlanta Braves. Michael Bush. 18 out of 199 on the gold. Those are called cast in gold. To 199 for the Dodgers. And John Swan. Next up, Oscar Colas, 47 out of 50. On the gold diamond going to Nate Smith and the White Sox. There you go, Nate. On the ink, Michael Groves, 71 out of 99 for the Dodgers and John Swan. John starting the night off hot. Michael Grove to 99 on the ink. Time for our gold frame, I was going to say in case. Gold frame ink. Good luck. 90 out of 99, Harold Baines. Going to the Chicago White Sox and Nate Smith. There you go, Nate. Harold Baines to 99. Again, gold framed Hall of Famer autograph for the Chicago White Sox. Now let's recap it. Got Michael Grove to 99. Oscar Colas, Michael Bush, Chipper Jones, and Harold Baines to 99. That is the break. Thanks for the fill.